Growing up, I was always creating. Whether I was playing with my siblings, choosing an outfit, or drawing and painting, I always loved bringing my ideas to life. I'm Annie Carter, and I'm a third-year interior architecture and design student at the University of Arkansas. Growing up in Little Rock, Arkansas, I had a strong community around me that inspired my creativity. My love for art began before I can even remember, and it became my motivation to continue to grow my skills as I taught myself a wide variety of mediums such as lettering, calligraphy, photography, watercolor, graphic design, weaving, and embroidery. I created my own branding, built a website and social media, and began my art business at the age of 12. My love for art became a love for people, and my love for creating for people is what led me to design. I believe design is a unique form of art because it capitalizes not only on the beauty that all forms of art offer, but also the opportunity to inspire community by creating physical spaces that bring people together. Our culture saw the creation and rapid explosion of companies that were marketing community. Especially after the pandemic, the pendulum began to swing from community towards convenience. My motivation in my design is to create spaces that not only provide the convenience that people are seeking, but the community that we all desperately need. As I studied abroad in Italy this past summer, I was inspired not only by the amazing architectural aspects, but also by the slower-paced lifestyles which revolve around community. All these pieces of my life, from my childhood to my current educational experiences, played a role in inspiring me to create this project, an office for the next architecture and design firm in Dallas, Texas. Since Dallas is known for its wide sky and the space is located on the 3rd level with floor-to-ceiling windows, I went with the idea of the horizon for the concept of this project. The horizon symbolizes new experiences and new opportunities following the pandemic. From this concept, I derived the design elements seen throughout the project: a sunset color scheme, natural materials, and a softness to counteract the rigid city through repeated circular elements representing the shape of the sun on the horizon. The one thing that separates working from home and working in an office is people. With a number of open lounge spaces and meeting rooms, people are propelled to sit together and start a conversation. Stepping off the elevator, visitors turn right into the reception area and see a custom-built wooden feature wall made up of repeated circular elements. From there, clients wander into the reception lounge. Clients can wait here, employees can work here for a change of scenery, and with the custom-built arched seating structure, employees can even have informal meetings. Lining the perimeter of this space are meeting rooms, the design library, the conference room, and the patio. Moving over to the west wing, each employee is given a spacious desk grouped into the 3 different sectors of the firm. Each sector has 2 director offices and a meeting room differentiated by color. The workstation space features a custom ceiling element of repeated semicircles. As guests move upstairs, the color palette gradually shifts from the warm colors of the sunset to the cool colors of the sky, just like the gradient of a sunset. On the added mezzanine, there's a work cafe, a large training classroom, an open meeting space, and additional workstations. Lastly, there is a bonus room providing wellness and rejuvenation for employees, the Sunrise Yoga Studio. Placed in a room with floor-to-ceiling windows lining the walls and arched mirrors on the back wall to maximize the window views and natural light. From the impact that my community had on me in my childhood to now being able to design around giving others this type of community, I have realized the difference that it makes. This is just one of the reasons Gensler's belief that design has the power to create a better world resonates with me. We live in a society with rapidly declining mental health, and the battle between convenience that our culture is pushing versus community that people need for their mental health is only adding to this problem. I am convinced that it is more important than ever for us as designers to create safe spaces that draw people in to experience the community they need. After analyzing and applying Gensler's The Future of Cities publication to this project, I came to realize the dedication Gensler has in using design to impact relevant social issues such as public health, sustainability, and community. Gensler truly sets the standard for designers around the globe, and with this mission, I believe that design can make a bigger impact on real human lives than ever before, by keeping a genuine care for people at the forefront of every design.